Are you riding?
Okay.
And you say, giddy up, horsey.
Bye-bye.
You're going bye-bye on the horsey? Where are you going to go?
Okay, this way.
That way? What are you going to do? You're going to buy noodles and meat and cheese?
Two pops.
And you're going to watch the Doodle Bops?
Okay.
Okay.
And you bye-bye. Two pop book.
Yeah? You're going to go bye-bye to work?
Okay.
What do you do at work?
Bye-bye.
You go bye-bye? Do you make money?
Whoa.
Whoa! Do you need help getting down?
Whoa.
Do you need help getting down?
Okay.
Okay, how do you ask for help?
I do. I'll pop down.
You don't want to bump down. You have to get down carefully so you don't get owies, right? Are you going to ask for help?
Okay.
Okay, how do you ask?
Peace.
Help?